Hey yo everybody, assalamu alaikum. I know I'm coming a bit late to this. Motogp has already finished. Kobi though. On the day though of the race, I have this list of videos, guys, that I told you to send me, and some of you sent me a bit more as well on Instagram, so let's react to them. We have a freaking Portuguese winner. We have some crashes as well, guys, kind of lethal. We have as well a Thailand winner, something like that. So let's watch a little bit. Let's watch the full race from this channel over here. Let's see what's going on, guys. I'm interested. Okay.
Yeah, Fabio not smiling so much as he was earlier, but as we know, it's a Sunday morning.
And by the way, guys, there was a lot of rain. I think so. I saw a few moments of the live streaming from Motogp channel, YouTube channel, and there was a lot of rain, guys. It even stopped. And Jokowi, the president. I think so. It was a KTM driver that won, guys, right? Okay. And they started in a freaking kinda wet track, guys. As I saw, there was a few puddles as well. Did you see that? Damn. Wait a minute. They tried. Now it started. That was a warm-up round, I guess. Damn. Okay, my heart just like pumping because it's just like, look at him. Ah yeah, it's Quaresma. No Quaresma. Forgot his name. Guys, for real, it's so rainy, so many puddles. Miguel Oliveira, something like that. Yeah, that's the winner. Like imagine just like taking the turns that steep, guys, and there's so many water around, you know. You can easily slip. I guess they're putting those kind of like tires and no slippery. Even though it wasn't cold, it was just like rainy. It's a rainy country, tropical country, you know.
Because in that after that seat, aren't they? Whoa! That's what happens when you hit a curve, and that's it. You get the rain out there. Remember, we've already had a run through there. Is he going to take over? I think he is.
Damn, guys, seriously, this is freaking dangerous. Over here that they did.
He knows he's got more pace, and he's thinking, right, I'm just going to 7/10 quicker on that last lap.
Suzuki is.
A race winner in Barcelona.
They're taking some notes. Whoa, what's going on?
That was the moment horrible.
What's happening?
So they are going to replace him.
He stopped. Oh yeah, this angle over here. You get close up of the drivers while they're driving. Oh. Oh.
Crashing out at turn one. It's a fast one in there.
Damn, the freaking. That was a big crash. But I didn't think there was a crash. I didn't know there was a crash in the race. I thought there was a crash before in the warm-up of that guy that really got it bad. But we're gonna see that as well. Don't worry. But this one was in the race. In the race.
There is Jaco Guidotti, the boss now at KTM.
KTM is guys, is KTM a good brand, yeah, of bikes?
29.8. Amazing.
That is so slippy. That is so slippy, guys.
Hold Le Mans. Alex just joined us in the hospital with a serious concussion. He is out. Concussion. I mean, it was not nice to watch.
Alex.
Violent crash.
Yeah, they're talking about that guy, that rider, Alex. Concussion, guys, on the fucking head. Imagine how dangerous that can be. We're gonna watch it though.
He needs to get through and up it even more, and he's gonna do it now on that little switchback.
10 laps to go, yeah, by the way.
He's in a battle into 12th now with lower than Miguel Oliveira.
At least it's not 80 laps like Formula 1. Yeah, damn it. I'd rather watch this.
It's not hard, is it, when someone's got that extra bit of pace? It's then stick in the wet.
Damn, how the freaking is like it's going like this, guys. So sick.
Of the Spaniard, and he's going to go through, and he's going to ease ring. Turn 16.
This turn 16 is just like the challenge of them all.
But what we're going to see now is two binders because Darren break off when you
Is it Jack Miller on the second? Okay.
I tell you what.
Oh, is he gonna get?
Going through on Jack Miller.
Yeah, he did overtake him. He did overtake him.
In Motogp again. Oh, that got close to the front tire of Johan's 5% of race distance.
Imagine, guys, if someone was like in front, just like I was going full speed and I was having the perfect lap, and he was gonna come in front of me, I was gonna just like kick him with my leg. I don't care. What is that violation, guys? When you get a red card or something?
You're fired. Vera, 3.4 seconds behind.
Yeah, Oliveira, I think so. He's here at the top. Yeah, he's still at number 1. 3 laps to go.
Like that could cost him.
Oh my god, how he freaking overtook him. That was sick. And then again the other guy overtook him again. That was sick. I like those ones, guys. I like the ones that, you know, the rider behind overtakes the rider in front, and then the rider that was in front overtakes him again. Aleix is gonna 2.6 miles of the track. Kind of easy. It's kind of easier to overtake a rider on a bike. Easy. Okay, last lap. Come on, let's go.
Remember that run of 3 podiums in a row. Had the win. First of the season for the Austrian manufacturer. It's victory for Miguel. 12th. It's Brad.
Miguel Oliveira.
From Aleix, and then it's Darren.
Congratulations, man. Miguel Oliveira. They won. KTM, yeah. KTM is a good company. And then Fabio Quartararo.
What about the ride from the reigning world champion?
Okay. Nice. I think so. There's nothing else. Oh, there's some podium pictures. It's just pictures. No copyright sound. Okay, guys. So let's see, guys. This Marc Marquez double disaster Q1. This one I was telling you about. Oh, this is not gonna get blocked, this video. No, this is Marc Marquez. It's like another guy, Alex, right? Well, let's see. Let's see. Ooh.
That could be so crucial. Marc Marquez then, his bike barrel rolls through the gravel trap. He's quick on his feet.
He's trying to get the other bike. Isn't this awesome?
He's trying to get the other bike. Look at him, guys. He fucked it up, but he was like, damn it, no. I have to keep on running. That was sick. I have to keep running and go get the other bike. Come on, man. Come on, you can do it. Oh, yeah. Okay, there he is again. It's the replay, this one.
There and risk it all again. Try and get
they're taking him over there. Again, Marquez, right? Oh, whoa. I see him slipping over there. Oh, damn.
The thing is, through the fast section, Matt, it's easier to follow. Now he's been hard.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Man, that is so, guys, that is so tense, you know? My freaking heart is tensing up. Again. Damn, man. Okay, that's a lot. Guys, did you see that tumbling? Guys, did you see that freaking tumbling? Okay, it wasn't this one I wanted to see. But, guys, we're gonna watch top 5 moments as well of 2022. In a little bit, not now. Let me go and check the crash. Is this one here, guys? Is crash again, but there was like a worse one. The worst one was like this. Wait, where is it? Over here. There he is. It's here, guys. Guys, look at this. He flew away. He just flied. Oh my god. I thought the freaking bike was gonna hit him. He's done. He couldn't even wait to get up, guys. Is there another one like can show us a bit better? Is this short over here? Oh my god. This is crazy, guys. Look at that.
Super fast. What's happened to Marquez here? He tips it in.
Oh my god.
Oh, dearie me.
Guys, you can see that he just lost a few fractions of the freaking turn and he just flew away. I'm gonna show it to my girlfriend. Wait, guys. Yeah, guys, she wasn't surprised or impressed, but no one should be impressed by that. Okay, now for the last video that we have, guys, we're gonna check out the best moments think so, something like that. The best moments, yeah, of top 5 moments MotoGP 2022, yeah. And after that, I think so. That's where we finish the video, I guess. My MotoGP fans. Top 5 moments.
940 down. Way here, MotoGP action underway in Indonesia. Big wheelie off the line there for Jorge Martin.
Okay, shows us basically highlights.
From Miguel Oliveira on
But top 5 moments.
KTM Quattararo, the poleman gets the whole shot, but Oliveira up into 3rd.
So, number 5, Darren Binder dazzles with incredible top 10. Okay, who's Darren Binder? Darren Binder, sorry.
He's up into 13th position now. So keep an eye out for Darren Binder.
Darren Binder
Chasing his way through the field.
from 13 is going to go top 10. Okay.
Astonishing performance given his experience. Well, this is the first time really. It is. He's had a full wet weather experience on that with you RNF Yamaha. Darren Binder.
Battle for 8. Okay, he went at 8.
And he fights straight back.
Nice. Bastian, so world champion, yeah. Darren Binder, nice, man.
Darren Binder is having an absolutely storming ride.
He's going up.
Darren Binder, a terrific top 10 for him.
Okay, so what did he finish? I didn't see where he finished. Anyway, number 4, championship and race win. Favorites slip backwards.
The World Championship leader is sinking without trace, and Ea Bastianini is down in 20th position at the moment. Front.
Oh! Unbelievable. That was incredible. What a save by Pecco
They slip.
He's touched the white line and he's gone way off track.
Okay, I saw that as well in the other video.
Championship points for 8th place. Paul Espargaro coming through your frame. He's down in 12th position, but it is Brad Binder from Malaysia Espargaro. Pecco Bagnaia takes the final point. Just 1 point from the first 2 races for Bagnaia.
Okay, they didn't show us a love there. Okay. 3, Zarco leads the Ducati Challenge 3rd. Okay.
It looks like the move's coming. Yeah, Zarco's lined that up brilliantly.
Zarco, yeah.
Into
Zarco,
turn
what is
12.
Zarco?
It was all about the power he
4th.
could get
Okay,
through the
4th.
ground. Out of turn.
And I guess he's gonna finish 3rd.
This is big brain time.
Is he going to go the inside?
These commentators, god damn it, they're just talking a lot even more than me. 4th, okay. He's 4th.
That's just the opportunity Zarco needs. He'll have the inside now into turn 11, and that should
Hey,
be
Miller
enough
was
for him to move
at
into 3rd
first place at
finally.
some point.
Zarco does take 3rd.
3rd, that's good. Fabio finds his wet weather form. Okay, Fabio is the second guy, yeah? Fabio.
Out of that final corner on the brakes, the first.
Yeah, Fabio is the Quadrado, the French guy.
Next fastest rider on track was Fabio Quartararo. He's certainly growing in confidence.
Damn, look at
These
this
wet conditions.
freaking-
What's going on
Place
here with
as well.
Alex Rins? Has he got some kind of a problem because Quattararo just eases on through as well?
Camera
Look,
quality,
up the
these guys
inside
on the
into
house
turn
is
16. Has
sick.
left his brake a little bit too early. No, that's beautifully done.
Porter, a puddle that caused
Zarco,
Jorge Martin,
yeah,
and he doesn't
finished,
lose that spot. Oh!
3rd.
Here he can't
Here he
resist
goes.
anymore though, can he? Quattararo up the inside into
Maybe Quattararo is gonna finish 2nd, isn't it?
place there for Fabio Quattararo.
Yeah,
and a valuable
2nd place.
20 points taken for the poleman.
Look at
Okay,
these
let's see the
routines
first
from
one
Fabio
now.
Quartararo. I don't think I've ever seen him as excited as that. Having won a Grand Prix, that is a serious result for a rider who hasn't shown his best work in wet conditions before.
Okay, and now a Mandalika masterclass for Miguel Oliveira. Okay,
Brilliant launch there from the 3rd row by Miguel Oliveira. He started
Yeah,
7th and
he did really
slots
good,
himself
actually.
to 2nd place behind Fabio Quattararo. Here comes Jack Miller up the inside of Miguel Oliveira into turn 10, and he's got that move stuck. That's
YouTube.
brilliant by the Ducati mountain
Here we
place.
go.
Here comes Oliveira. That's the battle for the race lead, and it's now in the advantage of the Portuguese man. Miguel Oliveira snaps up the.
damn, that's some.
Miguel is the man in Mandalika, a famous win here
Nice.
for KTM in our first
Miguel
Indonesian
Oliveira
Grand Prix in a quarter of
won.
a century. A brilliant
Nice, well done, man.
That was a
Felicidades,
brilliant
felicidades,
ride
no?
by Miguel Oliveira.
Can you say that for Portuguese? That was sick, guys. Well done. There we have it. And thank you guys for joining. I'm gonna see you in the next video. It was a really urgent video to come in, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you leave a like, click that bell for another fellow, maybe slowly becoming a MotoGP fan, maybe. But we're going back to our metal-y ways right after this video. Stay tuned. Keep on headbanging, keep on chasing those dreams. Join the Headbang Army. Tinos out. Peace.